everyone, I'm Jacqui Powell from MSU Extension down here in Wayne County, and today's recipe is Asian mango chicken wraps from our Cooking for One program, which has been adopted from USDA's website, whatscookingmixingbowl.usda.gov.
Be sure to wash your hands and all produce before preparing food. Begin by carefully removing the pit from your mango, peeling and dicing it. Add the whole diced mango to your bowl. Peel and grate 1 large carrot or 2 medium carrots. Slice 2 or 3 green onions. Add 1 cup cooked chicken. Mix it up. Add 1 cup of chopped cabbage. Mix it again. In a smaller bowl, combine 2 tablespoons fresh chopped basil or 1 tablespoon dried, 3 tablespoons unsalted creamy peanut butter, two teaspoons low-sodium soy sauce, and 1/3 cup fat-free cream cheese. Mix to combine. Spread 1/4 of your cream cheese mixture on a whole wheat tortilla. Add a scoop of your chicken mixture. Roll it up. Slice. And enjoy.
Thank you for watching. Like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content. We would love to hear your feedback through the survey link in the show notes.